What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Jaxx Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. Have you ever rotisseried a ribeye steak? Well, I'm telling you, if you haven't, you gotta do it. I got the Kudu grill fired up. We're about ready to rotisserie this tomahawk ribeye, so let's get going. So we got a massive tomahawk here. This is almost 3 pounds. Surprisingly, this is very easy. We're only no salt, no pepper. Everything we're using is right here in this Fogo charcoal. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm telling you, this stuff right here is the bomb diggity on this steak. So let's season it up and then get it on our rotisserie. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of go in behind this bone here, back here, and try to go like so. Try to keep it in the center if you can. How's that? So I'm going to go with these long deals there and kind of go in like that. Try to keep it flat though. I don't want to like bunch it up. So I'll just back off a little bit. All right, there we go. So the idea is we'll spin just like that. All right, let's put it on. All right, so notice I have this rotisserie set up a little high here. As the coals die down, we'll just drop. That's the good thing about the Kudu grill is it's fully, that rotisserie is fully adjustable. So you can go high, low. If it gets too hot, lift it up. If it gets too cold or whatever, just put it down towards the fire. All right, this is going to take, I don't know, it kind of varies. It might be an hour and a half, might be an hour or whatever. We're going to bring it up to about medium. All right, here we go. We're done. We're about ready to take this bad boy off the rotisserie there. We're gonna let it rest a few minutes, then we'll cut into this joker. All right, so we're ready to cut into this using my Dow Strong Shogun Series knife here. She's a juicing. Cut into that spinalis. Yeah, let's just get it a little bit here. That is stupid good. All right, let's cut into this meaty part here. Oh yeah. Let's give that little joker a try. Juicy, cooked perfectly the way I like it. All right, guys, tomahawk ribeyes on your Kudu grill using the Kudu grill rotisserie and the Fogo charcoal rub. Do it.